We're here in Southside, Gympie. We're on Tom's site today. We've got Ricky over here. So these are quite long sheets, but he's passing them up. Yeah, I just dropped off the insulation. Here we got Ricky's just turning up the ends of the sheets. Prep on a sheet's pretty important. So you got your sheet turned up there, and then the guy on the ground will come down. He'll mark a 60 mark. And the screw patterns every second screw, so they just mark every second on the bottom. He's just chalking his rake line. That'll be an offcut, which will probably go in another position. This is the sheet that they want. He'll turn up all the pans there. Lee's pretty quick, so he's normally turning them up before they throw them up. Tosses it up on his head, just like that. Slide it on the first rail. Slide it on the gutter, you'll scratch the gutter. So Tom up there, he just pulls it up. How long have you been roofing for, Tom?
18 years.
18 years. Kick the sheet, it just kind of brings it out, keeps it all flat. Here we got Kai, he's just cutting a hole for this penetration here. So he's measured that. Just lifting this sheet over. You'll see that mark there. And then they also mark another batten up the top here. Screw line that's been pinged. So you just use the chalk line and string from one end, hang it on the other end. That makes them all nice and straight. This is a trailer that we just put the old sheets straight on, and all our other rubbish goes into a skip bag, which a crane truck picks up as well and takes it to tip.